If you're like me, you woke up at 2 a.m., felt your house shake, and heard a deep rumble. You checked Twitter, sent out a tweet, and read about an earthquake being felt from the Chesapeake Energy Arena all the way up to Edmond. Then went back to sleep, only to wake up again around 5:15 for a similar experience. Turns out there were 5 earthquakes in central Oklahoma overnight. The U.S. Geological Survey reports the largest was a 4.3 magnitude quake 22 miles east of Edmond that occurred at 1:56 a.m. The epicenter was about 7 miles northeast of Luther. You may remember feeling the largest quake in state history. It wasn't that long ago. That was a 5.7 magnitude earthquake, November of 2011 near Prague. But while we chuckle at the novelty of an Oklahoma earthquake, a more serious situation in Iran, a deadly 7.8 earthquake struck this morning, flattening homes and offices. This was less than a week after a 6.1 earthquake hit southern Iran, killing dozens. Back to Oklahoma. If you felt the earthquake, you can report it to the survey website.